Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to discuss how to handle command line arguments. This will become necessary for Project 5, your Cipher program. So I have my Cipher program here. The first thing you should do is once you get the program to run, and I am going to run my program by pressing Control F5 right now. And I see I have an error opening the input file. So my command line arguments are not correct right now. I will close this window and I will go through the steps necessary to pass command line arguments. If you right click on the tab and click Open Containing Folder, you will see your source file, CaesarCipher.cpp. To find the executable file, click on the directory that is directly above and then click Debug. CaesarCipher.exe is in this directory. Now, right click where the file path is here and say copy address. Now, we need to come down here and open a command window. You can do that in a couple of ways. I can press the search key and search for CMD. Command prompt comes up. I can click that and I have my command prompt window. Now right now it says I'm in C:\user\DA. That is not the directory I want to be in. I want to be in this OneDrive projects Caesar Cipher debug. Let's show another way you can open the command prompt. If I hold down the Windows key and press R, I can type CMD here, and I have a command prompt. But I'm in the wrong directory. I want to be in this OneDrive project Caesar Cipher debug. My OneDrive folder is on K, so I'm going to go to my K drive first. Now I'm going to change directory to this file path we see right here. So I'm going to press CD and I'm simply going to right click and press paste. Now to see the files in the directory, I will type dir. We can see I have my CaesarCipher.exe. Now when I want to run my program, all I do is type CE, press tab, and it fills in the rest for me. I'm going to hit return right now. And because I've written my program in such a way, it tells me how to call Caesar Cipher. So I call Caesar Cipher by specifying the optional parameter to decrypt, and then I pass the in file and the out file. Notice I have poem.txt in this directory. I will type that out. Poem.txt, and you can see it's the text that we use for Project 5. Now if I type Caesar Cipher, I'm going to hit up arrow to poem.txt, and this requires an output file. Let's just call it poem.enc. So let's do a directory now. And you can see I have poem.txt and poem.enc. Let's type out poem.enc to see that it was encrypted. Looks to me like it is very encrypted. But let's decrypt it now. So what I want to type in is Caesar cipher with a -d parameter, poem.enc to, let's just call it final.txt. Let us type out final.txt. And we could see, if we look up here, we could see we have the same text as we do down here. That is your test to make sure your Caesar cipher program is working correctly. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me or one of the TAs. This concludes the video on command line arguments.